Hello, good morning all of you. Am I audible? Please mention the audio video is clear or not. Audio video is clear or not? Yeah. So welcome all of you. Please invite your friends, let more people join. And the details of Unacademy Plus and Iconic subscription are given here, the difference between Plus and Iconic subscription. And so the data interpretation series we are taking for the last 2-3 days, and we are today also discussing the topic data interpretation itself. So this is a question we are starting with. All of you make a try. Good morning one and everyone. All of you make a try with this question. I'll give you 1.5 minutes. All of you try. Any answers? Okay, so I'll explain. Some of you got option C as the answer. Let's see whether it is correct. A table is given. We need to interpret this table. Okay, so a school has two divisions of class 10 students, namely 10A and 10B. The results of half yearly and annual examinations are shown in the table given below. Based on the above table, which of the following is true? So, total number of students in class 10 is 115. Total number of students, first understand this table properly. Students failed in both exams. Students failed in half yearly but passed in annual. That means failed in half yearly only. Students passed in half yearly, that means students passed in half yearly only, that is failed in annual exam only, and passed in both exams. So speaking of passing in exams, no subject passing, one subject passing, two subject passing, these are the three category of people. So this is no subject passing people, these two are one subject passing people, this is both subject passing people. So obviously adding these three up, you should get total number of people. Matlab division A ka total number of people will be 9 plus 8 plus 13 plus 20. That is, yeah, you can find that value. That will be 20, 30, 41, 50. 50 people. And division B, it will be 30, 40, 50, 55. Did you all understood? 50 people in division A and 55 people in division B. Total number of students in class 10 will be 50 plus 55. That is 105. But it is written 115, so clearly it is wrong. This question is all about understanding the meaning of the question and answering, nothing tricky or anything in this. So straightforward it is. Number of students in division B is 65. No, number of students in division B is 55. So this is also wrong. Number of students in class 10 who passed half yearly exam. Yeah, there you should be careful. Passed half yearly exam means there are two category of people. There are two divisions possible. Passed in half yearly but failed in annual, that is passed in half yearly only, and passed in both. That means the last two rows are needed for finding option C. Is that clear? For verifying option C. So uska number kya hoga? 13 plus 20, 33. 14 plus 23, 37. 37 plus 33 is clearly 70. So option C is totally true statement. True statement is what you need. So option C is the correct answer. Is this clear, all of you, how option C is the answer? Please respond. Option D, if you want, I will explain option D also. Number of students in class 10 who passed in annual exam. Passed in annual exam, again two category of people. Passed in annual exam only, that is this category, and passed in both, this category. That means second and fourth row you need to add up. That means 8 plus 20, 28, 10 plus 23, 33. 28 plus 33 will be 61, not 68. So clearly option D is also wrong. If that is clear, can you try the next question? A bar graph based question. All of you try it and post your answer in the chat. Any answers? A option and D option. Let's see which is correct. The bar graph given here gives the sales of books in 1000 numbers from 6 branches of a publication company during 2 consecutive years, 2014 and 2015. Study the graph and choose the wrong option from the following. Read the question carefully. Wrong option is what you need to find. B4 sold more books in 2014 than that of B1 in 2015. B4 in 2014 is denoted by the plain region or plain bar. So this is 2014 B4 compared to B1 in 2015. B1 in 2015 is this. 2015 is denoted by the dark region. So this is more than this. That is what the question is saying. Is this more? No. Clearly this is less than. The height of this is more than this. So but question says this is more than this. We need wrong option. So option A is the answer. Option A itself is a wrong option. Did you all understood how option A is the answer? Some of you I think have misunderstood the question. You have found a right option. राइट ऑप्शन नहीं चाहिए, रॉन्ग ऑप्शन चाहिए. ऑप्शन ए रॉन्ग है क्योंकि ऑप्शन ए में लिखा है B4 का 2014 वैल्यू इज़ मोर दैन B1 का 2015 वैल्यू, लेकिन B1 का 2015 वैल्यू इज़ मोर, इसलिए ऑप्शन ए इज़ द रॉन्ग ऑप्शन. बट वी विल एनालाइज अदर ऑप्शंस so that no confusion is there. Next option is saying B3 sold more books than B2 in 2014. 2014 में B2 and B3 and B3 in 2014. B3 sold more books. Yes, B3 sold more books than B2 is totally correct. Right option. Wrong option चाहिए, इसलिए option B गलत है. For B2, third option. For B2, books sold in 2014. B2 के लिए books sold in 2014 is more than that of 2015. Yes, 2014 is more than 2015 for B2. That is also correct. Total books sold in 2015 is more than that sold in 2014. So total books in 2015 is more than the total books in 2014. 2015 total books will be this plus this plus this plus this. Clearly only in the case of in B2 2014 is more, but that is a very small difference only. All other cases B2 2015 is much more than B 2014. That is enough to say that this is clearly correct. Or if you are not convinced with that, you can take the values and try, but that is not needed. You should look at the picture and say. Did you all understood? So option D is also correct statement. So option D is not the answer. That is clear. Try the next question, all of you. Another bar chart question. Try it, all of you. Shreya, the notification regarding September, exam being on September, that is official notification itself. There were some other rumors or other wrong notification or fake notifications sent earlier, but this is right only. This is official Twitter handle of CSIR itself. So that is official confirmation itself. But exam date is not yet confirmed. Only they have told September they are planning for the exam. A option, B option, C option, many options in answer option in the comment box. All of you try. Yes, Shreya. Okay, so I'll explain then. Annual turnover of a company in lakhs over the period 2010 to 2014 is given in the histogram. The annual turnover in 2011 is less than that in 2014 approximately by. So 2011 and 2014 need to be compared, this one and this one. But one thing you should be clear, what is the y-axis? Annual turnover in lakhs, in lakhs. So this is 240 lakhs and this is 440 lakhs. So how much it is less? 240 lakhs, 440 lakhs, differences of 200 lakhs. But unfortunately, or in options, to trick you, 200 lakhs is not there in the answer option. But any other option that is okay. 100 lakh is 1 crore, na? So 200 lakh is 2 crore. So option C is the answer. That is the only extra thing you need to do, nothing else. Is that clear? So 2 crore, because 200 lakh is 2 crore, na? So option C is the correct answer. If that is clear, try the next question, a question on pie chart. All of you try. Some of you got D. Any other answers? All of you try it. A option and D option are the two options most of you got, or all of you got. Read the question carefully. Question is asking which cannot be concluded. Which cannot be concluded. Which can be concluded is not the question. Which cannot be concluded is the question. Okay, I'll explain now. Just a minute. Okay. So which cannot be concluded from the following figures. So the figure is 2014 year, 2015 year. The expense towards food, education, clothes, entertainment and miscellaneous in both years, that is represented as two pie charts. So expenditure towards entertainment is least. Can you conclude that? Yes, you can conclude that, because in both the years the entertainment sector is smaller compared to any other sector. Compared to miscellaneous, food, education, clothes, entertainment is the smallest in 2014. In 2015 also this is the smallest sector na, compared to the 5 sectors. So clearly option A can be concluded. Can be concluded means option A is not the answer. What about option B? Total expenditure is same in both the years. Total expenditure is same in both the years. But total expenditure, how you will know what is the total expenditure? क्योंकि क्वेश्चन में नहीं लिखा है टोटल 2014 में कितना एक्सपेंडिचर था, 2015 में कितना एक्सपेंडिचर था. What I am saying is 100 रुपीस भी ऐसा स्प्लिट कर सकता है, ये 20 रुपीस होगा, ये 40 रुपीस, ये 30 रुपीस, ऐड करके 100 बना सकता है. 1000 भी ऐसा डिवाइड कर सकता है, 1 लाख भी ऐसा डिवाइड कर सकता है. तो टोटल एक्सपेंडिचर दोनों का सेम है या डिफरेंट है हमें पता नहीं है. दैट कैन नॉट बी कंक्लूडेड. सो ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. आई थिंक नो वन गॉट बी, राइट? या वन ऑफ यू गॉट, पूजा गॉट बी. अदर्स, इज इट क्लियर? मेजॉरिटी ऑफ यू गॉट ऑप्शन डी, बट ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा है? व्हाट कैन नॉट बी कंक्लूडेड. ऑप्शन बी कैनॉट बी कंक्लूडेड, क्योंकि पाई चार्ट से अनलेस दे मेंशन टोटल वैल्यू यू कैनॉट नो द टोटल वैल्यू फ्रॉम पाई चार्ट. या फ्रॉम अ बार चार्ट you may be able to, adding all the bars up you will get the total value. But pie chart is actually a comparison na, like total का कितना percentage है, that only is actually this sectors denoting. Is that clear to all of you? That is why option B cannot be concluded, hence the answer. But let us check the other options also. Family spends more on clothes. More on clothes, yes. Cloth का sector दोनों years में maximum है. Clothes का angle या clothes का sector का size maximum है. That is why option C can also be concluded. So not the answer. Finally, each year's expenditure on food is almost 25%. Almost, approximately 25%. This angle is almost 90 degree ना. पाई चार्ट एक सर्कल है ना, सर्कल का क्वार्टर कितना है? सर्कल पूरा 360 डिग्री है, क्वार्टर 90 डिग्री होगा. मतलब 90 डिग्री है तो वो क्वार्टर सर्कल हो गया. मतलब 100% में क्वार्टर मतलब 25% है ना. क्वार्टर मीन्स 25%. So this is quarter or 1/4 of total. Almost, the word almost is okay to say that this is almost 90 degree or 25%. And this is also almost 90 degree na. Matlab it is actually quarter of total. Quarter means 25%. So option D is also can be concluded, cannot be concluded nahi hai. So ye three options can be concluded. So this is the only option that cannot be concluded. ऑप्शन बी में डाउट है तो मैं एक और बार समराइज कर रहा हूँ. ऑप्शन बी में लिखा है टोटल एक्सपेंडिचर इज सेम इन बोथ द ईयर्स. सो इफ यू से इट इज सेम, कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट इज दैट सेम वैल्यू? डू यू नो दैट? नो, राइट? देन यू कैन नॉट से इट इज सेम. ये 2015 में मे बी 1 लाख रुपीस ऐसा स्प्लिट किया होगा. 2014 में मे बी 50,000 रुपीस ऐसा स्प्लिट किया होगा. हमें पता नहीं है ना, कैसा पता चलेगा? इसका वैल्यू कुछ नहीं लिखा है. फूड कितना एक्सपेंस है, एजुकेशन कितना है, क्लॉथ्स कितना है, ये सब दिया है तो ऐड किया तो टोटल वैल्यू मिलेगा. लेकिन कुछ भी नहीं दिया है, कंपैरिजन किया है। 50,000 को भी ऐसा कंपेयर कर सकता है, 1 लाख को भी, 1 करोड़ को भी, किसी भी वैल्यू को ऐसा डिवाइड कर सकता है। परसेंटेज वाइज ये 25%, ये मे बी 20%, ये मे बी 30%, ये मे बी 15%, ये मे बी 40%, 20%. Adding it up, you will get 100%. 100% of what? We don't know that. उसके लिए information missing है। Total value कितना है? I hope all of you understood this. Please respond. So option B cannot be concluded, hence the answer. Then I will show you a previous CSIR NET problem which was a very interesting, but it is a little time consuming question. I will give you 2 minutes to try this. All of you try this. All of you try this carefully. This was asked in 2022 NET exam and 2016 NET exam. Any answers? If not getting, you can mention that also. D option, C option. All of you tried it? Okay. Unfortunately, option C and option D are wrong. So I'll explain. This question may be little time consuming to explain also. The graph shows the percentage change over previous year in the number of candidates passing in the 3 subjects. Which of the following inferences can be drawn from the graph? Percentage change over previous year. So 2014, for example, we will discuss about physics first. Physics is denoted by this dark dotted region. Here it is written plus 10 means percentage change over previous year. That means previous year का physics value P है तो वो P का 10% increase हुआ, मतलब अभी 110% of P हुआ. Did you all understood that? प्रॉब्लम क्या है, 2013 का वैल्यू तो नहीं दिया है. 2013 में फिजिक्स नंबर कितना है, केमिस्ट्री नंबर कितना है, बायोलॉजी नंबर कितना है, नहीं दिया है. बट 10% इंक्रीज हुआ है. वॉट एवर नंबर भी 10% इंक्रीज हुआ है. मतलब P फॉर फिजिक्स, इफ फिजिक्स वॉज द नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स हु passed in physics is P, 10% change to that happened plus 10%. That means 100% of P plus 10% of P, 110% of P. Are you all understanding that? Now next year what happened? Minus 10. That means whatever previous year value is 110% of P, उसका 10% कम हुआ, मतलब उसका 90% बचा है. 10% कम हुआ मतलब 90% बचा है ना. 90% बचा है. 90% of the previous value, that is 90% of 110% of P. That is what is remaining in 2015 for physics. Physics, I took as an example to make you understand. How many of you understood it? Please mention. The meaning of the graph only I explained. I didn't explain the solution yet. So which is the correct inference is the question. So option A analyze करेगा. Total number of students qualifying in physics in 2015 and 14 is same. Yeah, the explanation I have given now is enough to say that they are not same. Why? P है तो 10% increase हुआ तो 110% of P. 110% of P. Because 100% of P के साथ 10% इंक्रीज हो रहा है. दैट इज 110% ऑफ ओरिजिनल वैल्यू P. लेकिन उसका 10% इनिशियल वैल्यू का 10% नहीं, ये वैल्यू का 10% कम हो रहा है. मतलब ये वैल्यू 100% है तो इसका 90% बचा होगा, क्योंकि 10% का डिक्रीज -10 है. सो फिजिक्स वैल्यू इन 2015 विल बी, 2015 का फिजिक्स वैल्यू विल बी 90% of 110% of P. Is this clear? And cancelling you will get 99 by 100 P. 110 by 100 P or 99 by 100 P not equal. That is why option A is not correct. Is that clear why option A is not correct? All of you respond please. All of you respond. If that is clear, option B, number of students qualifying in biology in 2015 is less than that in 2013. There also, if you are not understanding graph properly, you may be thinking 2013's value is necessary for finding that, but not necessary. Biology value में B assume किया तो biology value कौन सा है, ये dotted plain dotted region, that is 10% का decrease. So B का 10% decrease हुआ, मतलब biology value will be 90% of B or 90% of initial value. Is that clear? 90 by 100 B. So 2014 में 90 by 100 B हो गया. 2015 में क्या हो गया, 10% increase हुआ 90 by 100 का. मतलब 90 by 100 B value से M है तो M का 10% increase means 110% of M. That is 110% of 90 by 100 B. Is that clear? When you simplify it, you will get 99 by 100 B. Now read the sentence once again. The number of students qualifying in biology in 2015, that is 99 by 100 B, is less than that in 2013. 13 it is B na. B means 100% of B. 100% of B, yeah, 99% of B. Which is bigger? 100% of B. That means that is smaller. 2015 का value 2013 का value से कम होगा. So option B is the correct answer. Those of you still confused, can you go through these slides? I have given the written explanation. These are the written explanation I have prepared for the book I have written. Those of you want the printed book, you can check it out online. So that solution I have given here. Please go through it and tell me whether it is clear. Option B only is explained there in detail. Is it clear? Please respond. Option B, why it is the answer. I will explain now C and D why it cannot be the answer, because many of you got C and D option. But why B is the answer? Is it clear or not? The main confusion many people had is what is 2013 value. If you don't know what is 2013 value, you can assume something, na? Yeah, in this explanation I have used the term X. When I explained, I used the term B. That does not make a difference. All of you clear? Okay, if that is clear, let us try the other two options, option C and option D. Option C is saying number of chemistry students in 2015 must be more than the number of students who qualified in biology in 2014. Okay, there comes the problem. You cannot compare chemistry and biology. Same problem like the pie chart question we discussed. Pie chart में total value नहीं दिया था, so we could not compare which is bigger or whether they are equal also. Now you may be telling that I have done that in first two options. First two options I have done that because that is comparing physics only in first option, biology only in first option. So whatever value you take, that value is 10% and that new value is 10% is reduced. So that comparison is totally okay. But the problem in the case of option C is number of chemistry students qualifying in 2015. For your understanding, I will explain that. Chemistry students 2013 में C assume किया तो chemistry students ये lined region है 5% का increase. 5% का increase means 105% of C. उसके बाद 10% का इंक्रीज अगेन, मतलब इसका 110% ऑफ 105% ऑफ C. This will be the chemistry value in 2015. Comparing that to biology value in 2014. Biology value in 2014, B be the 2013 value. Biology value in 2014 will be, biology is this, so 10% decrease, 90% of B. Question is asking you to compare this and this. That comparison is impossible because B का value C का value के हिसाब से वो comparison will change. Which will be greater or smaller totally depends upon B value and C value. Are you all understanding what I am saying? You can cancel this and get a easy value to compare. 1 second. This will be almost almost 115 percentage of C. 115 percentage of C or 90 percentage of B, don't say this is smaller than that. What if that this B is 1000 and that C is 100 only? 100 ka 90 sorry 1000 ka 90 percentage or 100 ka 115 percentage, definitely 1000 ka 90 percentage hoga bigger. What I am saying is it totally depends upon B value and C value, so we cannot conclude option C because we don't know B value and C value. Please respond, is this clear or not? Many of you got option C as the answer, so all of you please respond whether option C, why it is not the answer, whether you understood or not. If so, we will discuss option D also. Option D, the number of students qualifying in physics in 2015. Physics in 2015 is this one, is equal to the number of students biology that in 2014. Same like option C, this cannot be concluded. This cannot be concluded because it is physics and biology. Physics and biology. Physics value, biology value we don't know. So then how we will compare? I cannot say it is equal or which is greater. First two options में physics से compare कर रहा है, biology से compare कर रहा है. That is why that two can be compared. I hope it is clear. Then try the next question, all of you. Okay, so this is a 2022 net exam problem. D option and A option are the options you got. Let's see which is correct. Wheat production of a country over a number of years is shown. Which year recorded highest % reduction in production over the previous year? Over the previous year means compared to the previous year. In 2022 and 2016 this question was asked. So option A 2001. 2001 May 45 was the production compared to the previous year's 50. So the reduction is 5 compared to 50. Over the previous year means compared to previous year. That means 5 out of 50 into 100 is the % reduction. Or I will just write 5 by 50. And 2002 में 5 का reduction है लेकिन compared to 45 in the previous year. 2003 में 5 का reduction compared to 40 in the previous year. 2004 में 5 का reduction compared to the 35 in the previous year. Did you all understood this? Please respond. This much is clear or not? Now question is asking which is the highest % reduction, or in other words, in this fraction which is the highest fraction, that will be the highest reduction. You don't actually have to find it, that is the point, because numerators are all same, numerators सब same है. So denominators के size से पता चलेगा कौन सा highest होगा. Yeah, I hope all of you know, school days में learn किया है ना, fraction numerator by denominator, larger the numerator larger the fraction, because fraction directly proportional to numerator and inversely proportional to denominator ना. Larger the denominator smaller the fraction. So हमें largest fraction चाहिए, largest fraction चाहिए तो smallest denominator होगा. Smallest denominator 35 है among 35, 40, 45, 50. So 5 by 35 is the answer, that is option D. Please respond all of you. Whether you did this way or not, that also please mention. Those of you got option A, did you understand why option A is wrong? Then I will ask you a bonus question for this. What if the question is asking lowest % reduction? Answer it fast, 30 seconds. Post your answer. Lowest % reduction का आंसर क्या होगा? Very good, very good. Most of you got it right. I hope all of you understood it. Others who got wrong options earlier, is it 100% clear what we need to find? So that comparison of fraction, if you are flexible with, that will help you to save time. That is a point. All the time don't use math. Using math unnecessarily is a reason why aptitude section is tough for many. Only when math is needed, use math. Otherwise, just look at the fraction. In this case, look at the fraction and telling you was enough. Okay, if that is clear, then I will show you one more question where this fraction analysis will help you. So try this question, please. All of you try this question. This was asked in 2014 NET exam. 2022 there was a similar question. Make a try, all of you. Not getting. I'll explain. But if you try. B option, D option. Sure, Shreya, I'll give you 1 minute or half minute more. Okay, so I'll explain. Few of you only got it right. Average yield of a product in different years is shown in the histogram. If the vertical bars indicate variability during the year, I will explain what does that mean. For example, 2000 year में 150 was the production. 150 was the production. Average production means on an average 150. That's a meaning. So 2000 में on an average 150 plus or minus 50. Plus or minus 50 means it can vary maximum up to 150 plus 50, minimum up to 150 minus 50. That is the meaning of plus or minus 50. I hope that is clear. Plus or minus 50 idea. That is called variability. And 2001 it is 250 plus or minus 75. Plus or minus 75, 200 plus or minus 75. That means 250 minus 75, it can go up to 250 plus 75. 200 minus 75 up to 200 plus 75. 100 minus 50 up to 100 plus 50. That is the idea. So now, what is the question? During which year was the percent variability over the average? Percent variability over the average means variability by average into 100. Just like previous question, we need to make a comparison. Variability divided by average. That means 2000 year में 50 compared to 150. 50 by 150 is the 50 by 150 into 100. But into 100 is common in all four cases. So if you don't write it also, it's okay. 2001 में 75 is the variability over the average 250. That is 75 out of 250. 2002 में 75 out of 200. And 2003 में 50 out of 100. And question is asking what? Which of the following year it is the least? Percent variability over the average least कौन सा year में है? Least means which of these four fractions is minimum? That is the question. Among these four fractions, which is a minimum fraction? How you can find that? Minimum fraction. Comparison will be easy. 50 by 100, 50 by 150 में 50 by 150 smaller और 50 by 100 larger होगा ना. हमें लीस्ट चाहिए. सो ये लीस्ट नहीं चाहिए, ये लीस्ट नहीं होगा क्योंकि इससे भी लेसर है 50 by 100. 50 by 150. 50 by 150 is 1 by 3 ना. 50 by 100 is 1 by 2 ना. 1 by 2 is more than 1 by 3. We need lesser value, not more bigger value. इसलिए ये बिगर वैल्यू को एलिमिनेट कर सकता है. अभी ये देखो, ये दोनों का न्यूमरेटर सेम है. 75 by 200, 75 by 250. हमें स्मॉलर वैल्यू चाहिए, बिगर वैल्यू नहीं. 75 by 200 will be bigger than 75 by 250 because smaller the denominator, larger the fraction. हमें larger values नहीं चाहिए, इसलिए ये भी एलिमिनेट हुआ। अभी सिर्फ ये दोनों बचा है, ये दोनों बचा है, तो ये दोनों को सिंप्लीफाई करके ये 1/3 लिख सकता है और ये 25 से कैंसिल किया तो 3/10 मिलेगा। 3/10 और 1/3 विच इज़ बिगर। 1/3 को मैं 3/9 लिख सकता है ना, दोनों का न्यूमरेटर या डिनोमिनेटर सेम कर रहा है, और ये 3/10 है। 3/9 और 3/10 में कौन सा स्मॉलर है? 3/10 स्मॉलर है, 3/9 लार्जर है। दिस इज लार्जर, हमें लार्जर वैल्यू नहीं चाहिए, सो ओनली ऑप्शन बी इज द स्मॉलेस्ट। इज दैट क्लियर? स्मॉलेस्ट विल बी ऑप्शन बी। प्लीज रेस्पॉन्ड, ऑल ऑफ यू रेस्पॉन्ड प्लीज। देन बोनस क्वेश्चन, लीस्ट का जगह मोस्ट या लार्जेस्ट? द मोस्ट। पोस्ट योर आंसर। The most, then what will be the answer? Very good, very good. The most will be option D. Why it is option D? 2003 it is 1/2, which is greater than 1/3. And other values are 1/3, 3/10 and 1/2. 1/2 is larger, and 75/200 is 3/8. 3/8 and 1/2. 1/2 is larger. 1/2 means 50%. 3/8 is less than 50%. Different ways you can interpret it. So the largest or the most will be 2003. Least will be 2001. Hope all of you understood it. If understood, try the next question. This was a 2022 NET exam problem, very similar to the question we discussed now. Try it carefully, all of you. If you are not getting mention, if you are getting, mention the answer. Audio clear now? Is there an audio issue? Let me check. Okay, there is an audio issue, right? Let me check. Now okay na? Okay, then let us start. So this question, many of you got it. Let's see whether it is correct. Just a minute. The average yield of 4 different crops A, B, C, D is shown in the bar chart along with the variation. Standard deviation means variation itself. It's a measure of variation itself. So shown as error bars. The crop with the highest percent variation in the yield. Percent variation means variation out of total or variation out of production. So here it is, here you have to look it and tell what is a variation. 400 going up to 100, down to up by 100, down by 100. That is, this is 400 plus or minus 100 if you write it in terms of what we have seen in the previous question. And this is 300, again plus or minus 100 itself, 300 plus or minus 100. This is 500 plus or minus 100, and this is 600 plus or minus 100, isn't it? Now you need to find the variation in the yield. Here it is 100 by 400 now, and this is 100 by 300, this is 100 by 500, and this is 100 by 600. As the numerator is all 100, denominator checking is enough to find the answer. Highest percent चाहिए, मतलब numerator same है, denominator highest fraction के लिए denominator minimum होना चाहिए ना. Fraction highest means denominator should be minimum. Inversely proportional ना. So denominator minimum कौन सा है? 300 है. Among 300, 400, 500, 600. So option B is the answer. All of you understood it? Then tell me lowest percent reduction. Find it fast. Lowest percent reduction. Super fast. Tell me the answer. Very good. Option D will be the lowest percent reduction because option D, denominator is 600. 100 by 600 is lowest than 100 by 500 or 400 or 300. So option D will be the answer. If the question is lowest, option D would be the answer. Okay, if that is also clear, try the next question. Another bar chart based question. And those of you are attending the session, if you feel that the session is useful, do hit the like button, so that it will be more people will be able to see also, and you can share this video to more people also. So try this question, all of you. 1.5 to 2 minutes I will give you. All of you try. Shreya, if time allows, we'll discuss one more question. Okay, many of you got option A. So rice production in 6 states A, B, C, D, E, F in 2 consecutive years are shown in the diagram in the linear scale. Among the states that saw a fall in production in the drought year. So first of all, in these kinds of questions, to save time, answer only what is asked. Among the states that saw a fall in production in the drought year means, for example, drought year is actually the grey region and previous year is the dark region. A is a state which saw a fall. C is a state which saw a fall. D saw a fall. E saw a fall. F saw a fall. But B saw a rise. So first of all, you should eliminate B and any option having B in it. Did you all understand that? That is how you can save time. Because if B is also there, there is a confusion that is this smaller or is this smaller. That confusion all will be avoided if the question, if you read properly, among the states that saw a fall in drought year, B is not such a state which saw a fall because it saw a rise. Now, that is why option B is eliminated. Now, maximum fall and minimum fall. Here, don't calculate the value. The question is not to calculate the value. It is just to observe the figure and say. Maximum fall. Maximum fall means maximum difference between the bars. That is the meaning of maximum fall. From the pictures A, C, D, E, F, maximum fall is clearly this fall na? Compared to any other fall. This fall is the maximum. Visually you can answer it, nothing more needed. So D has the maximum fall. D maximum fall, there are 2 options. So other option which does not say D has the maximum fall can be eliminated. Abhi sirf 2 options, 2 possibilities becha hai. A having minimum fall, F having minimum fall. So only look at A and F to save more time. A ka fall itna hai, F ka fall itna hai. So clearly smallest fall is F. Minimum fall is F. So clearly option A is the correct answer. Is this clear, all of you? Please respond. Clear or not? Clear. Okay. So if time allows, I will discuss one more question. Otherwise, before that I want to tell you about the new course we are launching. I think you people know that the CSIR have made an official notification regarding the exam date. September will be the exam. Yesterday they have a Twitter notification was there. So September is the exam. That means almost 2 months from now. So for the upcoming exam, we have launched a new complete course. Those of you want to be part of the complete course, this complete course, the new version is starting from July 4th onwards. The course starts on July 4th, the new version of this course. Timing will be 8:30 a.m. 8:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. live. So if you want to learn from me the complete general aptitude section, this new dedicated course for the upcoming CSIR NET General Aptitude, complete course on CSIR NET General Aptitude is starting from coming Monday onwards. And this is the details of that course. It's a full-length topic-wise course. Everything or every topics of CSIR NET Part A will be covered in detail, and the complete theory of each topic will be discussed in detail. Topic-wise analysis of previous year questions and practice questions will be done, and there will be free study materials after every lecture. You can download them as PDF and refer it later, like theory, solution of previous year questions, etc. and it is useful for life science, mathematical science, physical science, chemical science and earth science students, because all exams, all subjects have the same aptitude section, and it is useful for other competitive exam because I will be giving you practice questions from other exams like GATE, SET, DBT, etc. And to be part of this course, you can take Unacademy Plus subscription with the referral code CC10 Live or CC10. Both will give you 20% discount if you are subscribing today, tomorrow or day after tomorrow. There is a special offer running now. Instead of 10% off, there is a 20% off if you are using the referral code CC10 Live. And this is not the subscription only for my courses. You can access unlimited number of courses in the CSIR NET category. What I mean is you can access the subject courses also and all my plus courses also by a single subscription. For example, in my profile there are 55 courses I have launched till now. All of them, the access will be open to you. There will be capsule courses. For example, a particular topic in the complete course, you have attended a session and you want a little more practice or little more learning on that topic. Like for example, if you have a doubt on the topic clock, there will be an individual course on clock problems only, 5 lecture course where we have discussed clock problem more elaborately. As recording you will be able to get that. Similarly, all topics there will be capsule courses available, and moreover there will be GATE General Aptitude complete courses, DBT complete courses, Vedic math courses and other practice courses for CSIR NET. All are available in my profile, and moreover hundreds of subject courses are available for life science, mathematical science, physical science and chemical science students. That will also be accessible by the single subscription of Unacademy Plus with the referral code CC10 Live. And today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, there will be a 20% off on your subscription. Make use of that also. Okay, one more thing. To the new students, I want to show you the details of how to access the special classes also. If you are not able to attend plus subscription or take plus subscription, if you think that you are not able to afford that plus subscription, what you can do is you can attend the special classes in Unacademy profile. Through special classes also you can learn a good amount of general aptitude topics, or to an extent you can learn with the plus platform, special classes also. Just a minute, I will show you. For example, if you visit the website or visit the mobile app is more interactive. You can log in with your mobile number, and with OTP you can just register in Unacademy, and you can be part of the Unacademy special class platform just by doing this process. I am telling this to the new students. Some of you or many of you already have attended my previous special classes, so you are familiar. But to the new students, this is a process. You can choose the category you want to attend the free classes of. For example, if you are choosing CSIR UGC NET category, you can just search the educator that you want to follow. For example, if you are searching my name here, you will get my profile, and you can visit all the previous free classes. Free classes you can see here. This is the free class section. Special classes you can see. If you click on the see all option, you can see all of them. There are almost 500 free classes available here. All these free classes you can access just by logging into Unacademy platform, and freely you can attend all these. Special classes and plus classes, the major difference is special classes is assorted. It is not like systematic, like all topics one go. No. But in plus courses there will be a particular schedule, and there will be doubt clearing, separate lectures and all, which will be more better learning. But if you are not able to take plus subscription, through special classes also you can learn a lot if you are continuously attending it live. So daily at 11 o'clock is the special class timing also. Some days I take YouTube, that day special class won't be there. Other days special class will be there. Most probably next special class will be tomorrow evening. So you can just visit my profile, and if you want to attend all my upcoming free classes, there will be a follow option here. Click on the follow option, then you will be notified whenever I take a free live session, and whenever I take a YouTube live, you will be getting community tab update so that you can access that, and you can access the YouTube live sessions also. So the new plus course, I will just show you the schedule so that you will be able to access it. Just a minute, I think it is live here. Okay, I think it is not live yet. For example, this is the for example, this is a currently running comprehensive course. Comprehensive course is like a crash course at 2 p.m. currently running. In the crash course, you will be able to access all topics in a shorter fashion, like 1 month course it is. That also you can access along with this course, and there is complete course currently running also. Yeah, this is the details of the complete course. You can click on the course and you can see the complete details. First syllabus and blueprint, then each of the topics in detail. There will be 50 to 60 lectures, and after every 3 sessions there will be a doubt clearing session so that your doubts will be addressed in a detailed fashion. And there will be raise hand feature and other feature. So to access this, you just have to click on get subscription option, and you can choose plus or iconic. For example, plus and iconic have some extra features, but it is little more costly than plus subscription. Yeah, this 20% off if you want to get it is 1 second. Yes, village food for 20% also the discount will be applicable. Okay, if you have doubt, you can click on the 3-month subscription and click on the referral code. Note down this referral code CC10 or CC10 live. Both will be applicable. CC10 live, if you click, you can see the price gets reduced. So this will be the pricing after discount. This will be the pricing 5,700. This is not the pricing for my courses only, let me clarify. This is the pricing for entire CSIR NET category open for you of all educators, all courses. For mathematical science, hundreds of courses by subject educators and about 50 plus course of mine. All of them together, this will be the pricing. For life science also likewise, hundreds of courses are there. All these together is actually the pricing included. So this is how you can get. Again, this 20% discount is applicable only till 30th June. So apply the referral code, then only you will be getting the discount. And if you want to get more discount, the credits available in your profile, if you have attended previous free classes and all, the credits will be available. Clicking on that, you will get more discount. So CC10 live referral code and the credits will give you maximum discount. So make use of this opportunity, and next Monday we will be starting the new course, and you are welcome to be part of the new course and learn from me the general aptitude section elaborately, and for other exams also it will be beneficial. So happy to hear, Alok. Thank you so much for the good words. हाँ, मेरा हिंदी इतना फ्लुएंट नहीं है, मैं फिर भी ट्राई कर रहा हूँ. Thank you for the encouragement. Tomorrow YouTube session won't be there, Movu. Next YouTube session most probably will be day after tomorrow, 11 o'clock. Tomorrow special class will be there. So that's it. I think we can conclude for today. So any other doubts regarding this upcoming course and all, you can ask. The course was scheduled today, yesterday it became live in the platform. So, and you can enroll for it by visiting the profile. So if there is any other doubts, you can ask, otherwise we can conclude. So shall we conclude? So data interpretation, one more lecture we will take and conclude this topic, and then after that maybe we will come up with another series. So if you want more free classes, please make sure your friends are invited to the upcoming session, because if more crowd is there, Unacademy also will give me more free classes like this through YouTube or special classes. Because if response of students are good, definitely that will encourage me to also take more free sessions like this. So share this video link to more people and invite your friends also, and mention what you felt about the session. in the comment section and through the like button also. So that's it. Thank you all of you. Take care all of you. Have a good day. Bye bye.